Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of Facebook suggesting photos from your camera roll while you're just scrolling through the app, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the exact steps to turn off camera roll sharing suggestions on the Facebook app so you can browse without those pop-ups. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Next, tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. Then tap on Icon Settings at top right corner. Look for the option called Camera Roll Sharing Suggestions. Tap on it. Then you will find option Get Camera Roll Suggestions. When you're browsing Facebook, turn it off. This will stop Facebook from suggesting photos from your camera roll while you're browsing. And that's it. You've successfully turned off camera roll sharing suggestions on Facebook. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.